Okay, a decibel, if I'm saying that right, is a measure of the intensity of sound. It's been a long time since I had music class. The average number of decibels at a full concert is 95. Assume that the variable is approximately normally distributed and the standard deviation is 5. Okay, now let me talk about this problem. Bad problem. If 100 concerts are selected, approximately how many will have a decibel level than 108? It's asking us how many. It's not asking us for probability, proportion, percentage, so forth. But the instructions down here imply that. So ignore this part right here. That doesn't make any sense. If I told you that there's going to be 100 people attending the event, and 50% of them are going to bring hats, well, you take your 50%, 0.50, times your 100 people coming, and you get your how many people are going to wear hats. Well, that's the idea here. We first have to find our probability or percent, and then we're going to multiply it times 100. Okay, so have decibel level less than 108. So less than looks like this. Let's find that percentage probability first. The less than is our first form right here. A is whatever follows our less than symbol. So A is 108. And then that tells us we're going to plug it into this form right here. Norm.dist A, which is 108, comma mean, which is 95, comma standard deviation, which is 5, comma true. I didn't double check myself. Okay. 108, mean, 95. Okay, yeah, that all looks right. Now this, okay, let me think about this. Yeah, I guess I would be about that many. Okay, I did a poor job in picking. This is a pretty high number. Let's say it's 101. And sorry about that. Okay, so we got this right here. The other one would gave us bizarre results when I talked about it. That's our probability percentage for whatever they're asking. How many will have a decibel level less than 108? Now, if they give us a number and then they say how many of them, we then have to take that and multiply times that number. So I'm going to do, you could take that 0.88493033 times 100. And that's as simple as moving your decimal point 2 places to the right. Or you could do an equals, and that number is in A4, so type A4 times 100. Now it says approximately how many will have a decimal, so I'd round it, so that'd go to 88. That'd be your answer.